Your pool manual has thorough instructions for easy setup, but here are a few important things to keep in mind. When your pool is sitting on level ground but looks lopsided, it may have been set up without spreading the bottom and sidewall evenly around the inflated ring. Drain the water until there is less than an inch of water left so the bottom can be pulled out evenly. If the ring was inflated on a hot sunny day, it may appear to have lost air the morning after when it is cool. Make sure the valve is closed tightly and do not overinflate. It is not necessary to drain the pool to make patch repairs on the top ring. It will be stable if unoccupied while repairs are being made. To help with metal frame pool assembly, raise the last two horizontal beams at an angle. This will allow the last beam to slide in place. Small holes and tears in the liner can be repaired with the dry repair kit supplied. Repairs can also be made underwater without draining the pool. See your supplier for underwater cement. After filling your pool, check again that it sits level. Even though your site is level, the ground may be sandy, allowing shrinkage in some areas. Use pressure-treated wood or concrete blocks under the U-shaped support brackets. If your pool cover does not fit, two people may be needed to pull the cover over the easy set ring or over the top beam on a metal frame pool. To help you calculate the total electric load on your pool circuit, the pump amperage is listed on the side of the filter tower. Ground fault protection is your first line of defense against electric shock. It is important to have a GFCI or RCD outlet. It can save lives by shutting off the current when a problem is detected. Your pump cannot function if air is trapped in the hose lines. For smaller pumps using the A cartridge, turn off the pump, remove any wall plugs which may have been overlooked, and open the air relief valve on the filter tower to let trapped air out. For larger pumps using B cartridges, turn off the pump. To allow air to flow through the system, open the lower plunger valve and then the upper plunger valve. Open the air release valve and wait until water starts to flow out. Hold the lower hose up so air can pass through and then close the air release valve. Before opening the filter pump to check your cartridge, you must first unplug the filter pump and close the connector valves. If your pool does not have valves, use the wall plugs. If you cannot locate cartridges locally, if your sand filter is not getting proper water flow, it may be necessary to turn off the system, open the leaf trap cover, remove any debris, and allow the trap to fill completely with water before closing it and turning the system back on. Sand getting into the pool water may be caused by wrong type of sand, see manual, a broken filter grid or lateral, center pipe not covered when sand is poured into the filter tank. The filter pump must be on with an output of 700 GPH or more. When you see the code 91 alert, Add salt as indicated in the chart in the manual. If the problem does not clear up, use salt test strips to double-check the salt level. If the salt level is okay, you may need to clean or replace the titanium plates in your chlorination cell. If pool salt is not available in your market, try warehouse food stores. Do not use iodized or yellow salt since performance will degrade. If you are having trouble with the pool vac, detach the hose from the pool connection and carefully lower it into the pool until it fills completely and sinks as shown in the video. Then reattach the hose.